Hey everyone, welcome back to Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Today we've got something seriously stylish, the 1955 Corvette from Hot Wheels' 57th anniversary series. Finished in an eye-catching purple and gold livery. This one is all about classic American design mixed with premium anniversary vibes. So let's crack it open, check out the details, and see how it performs on a track. Let's get into it, but before we open this one up, let's take a look at the card art first. Right away, the card art stands out. You've got this rich purple background with subtle Hot Wheels flame patterns, giving it that premium anniversary feel. The artwork shows the 1955 Corvette in a sleek, slightly modernized style. Low stance, smooth curves, and an iconic front grille that made the Chevrolet Corvette C1 a legend. There's details to notice, gold accents and stripes to match the anniversary theme, the number 57 representing Hot Wheels' 57th anniversary, and bright yellow or gold wheels in the artwork that match the diecast. Alright, let's open it up. Wow, that's a clean opening. Did you see that? And now, this one looks even better out of the package as well. Amazing! Now let's talk about the design and finish. It has a deep metallic purple paint, super glossy and clean. You've got the gold striping and 57 logo along the sides, and matching gold rims that really pop against the purple. For the body and shape, this is a custom take on the 1955 Corvette. It has a low, stretched body for better track performance, open-top roadster style, and smooth curves with minimal drag. And for the details, it has molded front grille and headlights, clean side paneling with racing stripes, and the interior is simple, but it fits the casting style. It's not overly detailed like a premium model, but for a mainline anniversary release, it looks awesome. Now, let's talk about the track performance. How does this perform well on a Hot Wheels track? Let's find out and see for ourselves. Alright, let's count down with me. 3, 2, 1. Nice! Now, here are the results of this track performance test. For straight speed, it has lightweight body that gives it fast acceleration. It rolls smoothly with no wobble. For the loops, it has low profile which helps it stay stable and clears loops easily without losing speed. For the corners and curves, it has slightly longer body, which means good stability but not the sharpest cornering. By which I mean this Corvette performs well on straight tracks, loops, and even boosters and launches. Overall, it's fast, smooth, and reliable. A solid track performer. Alright, let's break it down with my final thoughts. As for the pros, stunning purple and gold anniversary design, smooth, fast track performance, unique classic meets custom Corvette styling, and great addition for collectors. And as for the cons, it has limited interior or detailing compared to premium lines. Longer body can slightly affect tight turns, not the most aggressive racer on technical tracks, and there's no opening parts because it's a mainline standard only. And now for my final ratings. The design is 9 out of 10, detailing 7.5 out of 10, track performance 8.5 out of 10, and collectibility 9 out of 10, which means the Corvette is 8.5 out of 10 stars. And this car is also officially track approved. Overall, This 1955 Corvette is a fantastic mix of classic car heritage and Hot Wheels flair, especially in this 57th anniversary collection. And that's the Hot Wheels 1955 Corvette 57th Anniversary Edition. Now thanks for watching. If you love Corvettes, anniversary cars, or just cool color combos, this one is definitely worth adding to your collection. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hot-tastic Hot Wheels content if you enjoyed this video. And also, drop your comments below. Is this really worth adding to your collection? Or the track? As always, this is Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Keep racing, keep collecting, and I will see you next time. Peace!